another review. In this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
Introducing AutoBuzz AI, the revolutionary tool that replaces your expensive social media manager for just $27, less than the cost of takeout pizza. Are you exhausted from posting daily with little to no engagement? Say goodbye to hiring virtual assistants. AutoBuzz acts as your dedicated growth assistant, automating engagement on major platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook without missing a beat. With easy installation and step-by-step training, you don't need any tech skills to get started. Once set up, you'll watch your followers grow and your brand visibility soar on autopilot, all while driving traffic back to your offers. And with our unbeatable 60-day double money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. If you don't see results, we'll refund you, plus double your money back if you've truly put in the effort. Take control of your social media strategy today with AutoBuzz AI and experience real engagement like never before. AutoBuzz AI is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.